Hi guys, welcome to our studio today. We are actually I got a lot of messages from everyone saying that our walls were looking really bare and they were like, making all the videos look flat. So I actually partnered up with a friend of mine, Aleena Ahmad of Spaces by Aleena. She's at the studio with me today and we're going to be putting up all of the stuff that we've selected. Some of the stuff has been taken from online and some of them have been created by my in-house team, like my videographer. He makes really good digital prints, so he's been very kind enough to give us and donate some of his work to us, and I'm really excited to show you how we framed it, and you'll get to know what like a simple image can look like once it's framed. So hi Aleena.
Hi Momina.
Oh yeah.
Good. How are you, sweetie?
Good.
Good.
I know that.
Yeah,
I'm so excited.
So
Okay. So tell us, what was your thought process behind it? I know that some of the stuff we picked out from Moaz's like archives, some of the stuff that you picked out,
Yeah.
and like the framing. So go walk through the time.
My one critique when I saw your first sort of video was that it's I'm not seeing anything but the white walls.
Yeah.
And when you came to me, I thought, okay, what can we do that's simple, that's clean line, that kind of goes with fashion, with lifestyle, with travel, with really just any theme.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've taken some prints from David Downton, Richard Haynes, so they're all sort of famous fashion illustrators.
Yeah.
And what we've done here is you'll see this pink line that kind of like runs through the room now. And we're going to kind of play with all of this fun artwork and make separate frames. And you have some yellow in here. You have
fun.
yeah, right. And then you have
This is my favorite.
my favorite. So
This was actually created by like Moaz, who
Yeah.
works with me. He's behind the camera right now, and he edits all our videos and all the fun stuff.
So it was fun to kind of put some fashion illustrations with some really interesting digital art that people really aren't doing in Pakistan as much. So that was kind of the thought process, and now we'll just kind of put them on the wall and hope they look good.
Let's get to it, because I am just like very overwhelmed by where I'm going to put any of this. Like you put some of the stuff up
So
here.
so we did a little demo of this wall, so that
This is
frame.
so cool. I feel like I'm in
Right?
Europe.
Yeah,
It's like a studio.
I know. And then if you see the lines, are essentially just giving it a different feel. You can have a white wall, but I think this is going to play really well in your video frames. That's
Okay, let's get started in putting them up.
Okay, all right.
Just gotta see the good in me.
Momina, do you mind grabbing that white frame?
Sure.
Thanks. Okay, so
What do you
in
wanna do
case
with
you were
this?
wondering why I have like empty frames, I figured that these lines could kind of go through the frame itself, and then you could play with the graphics, maybe have
that's
your
very
logo running
cool.
through,
Oh my god, that's so cool.
Right? So you have the pinks everywhere to kind of play with, and even if you don't want to put your logo, you can put any graphics kind of going through this or the other frame that we've used. Just
That's-
give it some like 3D.
That's very
Yeah,
cool. I think we
right?
should do that. I think I
Yeah.
really like it. I think it populates this wall and makes this corner like really.
Yeah, so you can get this
Fun.
entire corner in the frame in like basically like 2-3 different ways.
Okay, so we're just left with these two frames to put up, and then we're gonna be done. Aleena, I think it's looking. I don't know. It's a brand new space all of a sudden. Like I think.
pretty good. I must say so myself.
I know. It's
Right?
like I just want to live here now.
Yeah.
But guys, like look how much fun it was. I mean, I did not think of this myself. Like I did not realize that just by minimal touches.
And we did this in what?
2
days.
days.
2
2 days. It was
printing, framing, painting, putting it together. When you put your mind to it and when you're into it, I guess it's just fun, right?
But 2 days. It took us 2 days. I think like I heard all your comments and I like took that all in, and I contacted her and I was like, you know what, we need to do this ASAP. Like everyone's hating the white walls, and it was instant.
Yeah.
So it doesn't take long to put a space together. and do log on to Instagram and follow Spaces by Aleena, and you'll see a lot of really cool things.
And a lot of art and framing, because that's just something that's very close to my heart.
And it's all just frames.
Yeah, just beautiful.
It's
frames.
cost effective and it's just brightens up the entire space.
Yeah.
And I hope you enjoy the rest of the videos. If you have any more feedback, you know that I'm always open to it and I welcome feedback. So make sure that you do comment and you do direct message us, email us, and let us know what you want to see more of. Until then, goodbye.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thank you.